Hello and welcome. Today is Sunday, April 6, 2025. A disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as an investment advice. Now let's begin with the Indian stock market. We're looking at the daily chart of Nifty 50. It was a shortened trading week with markets closed on Monday due to a holiday. Even with 4 trading sessions, action was packed, but mostly negative. The week kicked off with a drop on Tuesday, and it ended on a strongly bearish note by Friday. Nifty 50 closed negative in 3 out of 4 sessions, including Tuesday and Friday, with volume levels higher than their previous days. Most notably, on Friday, Nifty 50 closed below its 50-day moving average on the highest volume of the week and higher than Thursday's level. That is a clear red flag. All 4 moving averages in this chart, and I use 10-day moving average, 21-day exponential moving average, 50-day and 200-day moving averages, all 4 moving averages have begun to trend down. Now that's a technical setup we cannot ignore. So unless there is a sharp bounce on Monday morning, which looks highly unlikely, the near-term outlook remains bearish. Now let's talk global, because what happened on Wall Street last Friday could have a big impact on the Indian stock market next week. Let's pull up Nasdaq's daily chart. We're looking at Nasdaq's daily chart now. The Nasdaq crashed 5.8% last Friday, officially entering bear market territory. A bear market is defined as a drop of 20% or more from recent highs. Since peaking on December 16th, the Nasdaq is now down 22.8%. The sell-off is being driven by escalating trade tensions, rising tariffs, and shaken investor confidence, primarily in the tech sector. With this backdrop, Indian stock market is likely to open up with a gap down on Monday morning. Now let's go back to Nifty 50. We are back on Nifty 50 daily chart. So to summarize, Nifty 50 had a bearish week, closing below its 50-day moving average. All 4 key moving averages are beginning to trend down. Wall Street saw its worst single-day drop since pandemic, with both Nasdaq and S&P 500 falling over 20% from their recent highs. Be cautious going into the next week. Stick to your trading plans and don't forget your stop losses. That's all for today's Indian stock market update. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on how you're positioning yourself for the next week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.